what's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that's...
Good morning, everyone. It's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. So this week's vlog is week 4 and the last week of my 30-day self-care challenge. So we are wrapping it up this week. I believe today is day 23. So we have 23 through 30 left, so the last week. But today's little challenge task is actually no social media. So I have a few classes, but I'm overall just going to kind of reground myself, maybe go for a little walk, you know, just take some time to myself today. But overall this week should be good. I'm not feeling the best today, so I also thought that the no social media challenge was like a good one because I can just kind of do some things that make me feel better, you know? But that is what is up for today's little challenge.
You're the only love that I've ever known, but we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every...
Good morning. So today is day 24, I believe, and the little self-care challenge for today was to go on a super long walk. So I went on a long walk, like an hour-and-a-half walk this morning, and grabbed coffee before I went to study at the library, and that was today's little self-care challenge.
Oh, that's on my mind.
Hello, how are you lovely people doing today? I'm excited for today's self-care task. It is making a new recipe. So you guys will know if you've been around here for a while, I love cooking and I love making new foods and making new recipes. So today's is to make a new recipe, and I picked up some arugula. I have not had an arugula salad since the summer, so that is what I'm making today. I'm making a new arugula salad. I know that's not like the most interesting new recipe, but I am such a salad person and I've really been craving a salad the last few days. So I'm gonna make a new arugula salad recipe with a new lemon vinaigrette dressing that I looked up. Yeah, that's today's little self-care challenge, is to try making a new recipe either for lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever meal you're feeling you want to make a new recipe for.
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known, but we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
And here is the finished arugula salad. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I am so excited to eat this.
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told...
Good morning. Welcome to day 26 from me and my little bun tail that's going on back there. But today's little self-care challenge is really easy, real simple. It's just calling everybody that you love. So I'm gonna take some time this afternoon to sit down and call my mom, my dad. Well, call home and talk to my mom, my dad, call Alan, you know, even though I just saw him a few days ago, but call some of the friends that I haven't talked to in a while, and you know, just reconnect with some people that I haven't talked to in a bit. I feel personally that it's really important to talk, especially in isolation and in quarantine and if you live by yourself, to call everybody that you love more often. So it's something that I wanted to do this year, was just to continue to strengthen my relationships and call and talk to people more. So that is today's little self-care goal.
I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you. I should have told you that I loved you. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Good morning, everyone. So today I have some makeup on. I actually had to shoot some content this morning. I'm just wearing my Cerise Dawn full sweatsuit, and actually I have a very exciting announcement. So I've decided that for, I guess, kind of part of my 100K celebration giveaway, I have decided to host a little giveaway over on Cerise Dawn, and I'm going to be giving away a full sweatsuit, so the hoodie and the track pants, because I'm just so thankful for you guys, and I really wanted to not only give back from my business, but give back from me as well. So I will be doing, like I was mentioning before, some other sort of giveaway that's being planned and in the process. But right now, starting today, I'm doing a Cerise Dawn giveaway. So head over to the Cerise Dawn Instagram if you want to win this full sweatsuit to see all the rules and how to enter. I'll just give you a full little outfit, but this is what it looks like. Literally will be the comfiest sweatsuit, thickest luxe sweatsuit you've ever owned. I designed the pieces fully myself, sized them, they're custom and everything. So if you want to enter to win this sweatsuit, head over to the Cerise Dawn Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. But I just wanted to quickly mention that. But we are getting down to the last few days of the challenge. I think there's only like 3 days after today left, which is crazy. I can't believe we've gone through these 30 days. And if you've been keeping up with the challenge and doing it every day with me as I post on Instagram, I hope you guys have been enjoying. But today's little challenge is to spend some time painting. Yeah. Whether you're an artist or not, just everybody that I've talked to always says how relaxing and like such a like stress relief thing painting is, whether you're doing like a paint by numbers or painting something random or just, you know, painting. So I actually have a big unfinished canvas of a sunset painting that I've been working on for the past year. So I'm going to, after school, because today is actually a full day of classes for me, but after school, I'm going to spend some time this evening and work on that painting, because why not? And yeah, it's one of my little self-care goal task challenges, so that is today's. up? What's good? So today is a big just cleanup day. Today's self-care goal task challenge is just to do a whole bunch of laundry, clean all of my spaces. Like, I have a bunch of dishes that need to be done, and then I also am going to clean up my washroom. But that is today's self-care goal, is just to do a big clean, whether you're doing a deep clean or just like a little tidy up. Whatever needs to be done, clean it up.
Can't think straight. My mind is rushing of words that you won't take. Notice of the way you feel safe. Everything I do, I'm too late. I know this takes more than just 3 months for someone like you. More than just your trust before I might lose. Learning all the things that make you you. My heart is beating faster than the world I keep inside. And yeah, you make me nervous, that's the story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you I don't mind when I'm around you. Ooh, I'm just glad I found you. As we sit here on a blanket in the park, we write our fears. I never heard such words come out so clear.
So I just kind of finished all my cleaning up and stuff, but I'm about to go work out and I'm actually feeling really hungry. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of one of my protein bars before I work out. Probably gonna have half now and then half after. But you guys already know I love the Built protein bars. Today I'm having the Cherry Barcia, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cherry Barcia one. But you guys know I love these because they have no added sugar, no added stuff in them, and they taste so freaking bomb. So I'm just having one of these. My discount code also will always be below for you guys. I'm just having one of these before I work out. Yeah, I know I normally have one after I work out, but like I said, I'm feeling pretty hungry right now. So I'm gonna have like half now and then half after. Welcome to day 29. Well, it's actually the night. It's Friday night and I'm having a little girls' night, and I'm gonna put on a face mask, make tea. I'm about to watch a movie, and tonight's task is to paint my nails. So I've had my acrylics off for almost a month now, about a month, maybe a little bit longer, a little bit shorter than a month. They've grown out and they've healed enough that I decided that I'm gonna paint them, and that is today's task. And I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna watch a movie, do my nails, drink some tea, and have a nice little chill night.
To my ears. My heart is beating faster than the world I keep inside. And yeah, you make me nervous, that's the story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you I don't mind when I'm around you. Ooh, I'm just glad I found you. The piece of the earth is found in your eyes. A piece of your world fits right.
I can't believe it. We have made it all the way through. It is day 30. Oh my gosh, today is the last day of my self-care challenge. So to celebrate today's little task is to go buy yourself something nice. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and buy flowers because I love having flowers in my apartment. It makes me so happy. But if you don't like flowers or you're allergic to flowers, maybe buy yourself like chocolate or like a treat or some new top or clothing. But just buy yourself something nice, okay? Go out, buy yourself something nice, have a little celebration that you finished this 30-day self-care challenge with me. If you've been keeping up and you've been doing it this whole time, I'm so freaking proud of you. Thank you for joining me on this 30-day self-care challenge, first of all. and I'm so proud of you for finishing it and getting all the way through. And if you're just starting it now, or you're halfway through, or you started it a week ago, keep going, girl. You got this, and enjoy having something little to look forward to every single day. But let's head to the grocery store now and go buy some flowers. Alright, so we secured the flowers. I picked up these pretty pink tulips. None of the tulips were open yet, but I really wanted tulips, and I know that this pink color is going to be so pretty, so they'll probably open up in a few days, but now I have some nice flowers, yay! Thank you guys so much for watching week 4 of my self-care challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole self-care challenge if you've been watching every week. If this is the first one that you watched, I'll have them all linked up there or linked down below. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the self-care challenge. I hope you stay tuned for more videos in the future. I have some very fun videos coming up that are more fashion related, because I've just been wanting to film some more fashion videos while I've been at home. So that's coming up soon. Also, a video to somewhat do with Notion is probably coming up soon. But anyways, stay tuned for more vlogs and more videos, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!